Hi, this is an unboxing video of Aperture 3. It was a Christmas present, delayed of course, because it hadn't come out yet. So here's the bag that it came in, and let's see what Mom got me for Christmas. It's a late Christmas present. Oh, it has a receipt, which is unusual. Here's the Aperture box. It's white this time. The last box was black. So, and here's the back cover, and it has location and facial recognition. And let's see if I can make sure, this does say upgrade, right? Yep. Okay, let's try and open it. Yeah, teeth. This slides out like that. Here's the disc. And they actually have some hefty manuals in here, it seems. It's pretty heavy in here. So let's see what's the manual side. Ooh. Without the disc falling on me. Here's installing the Aperture software. Here's a take your photos to the next level. Looks like it's a little pamphlet. Oh, and the installing Aperture, here's it's just a little booklet on how to install it. Here is a nice little thick manual on it. And it is indeed in full color. It's a nice little matte finish book on how to use Aperture. It's a nice little reference to have versus a big manual. And here's a keyboard shortcut booklet, so you can know what keyboards your shortcuts are. Now the one thing, oh, it is on the back. They have the serial numbers on the back. So let's put that back together, and now I can go ahead and install it. I'm really impressed with the manual they have this time, which is the really nice color manual. So there you have it, Aperture 3.